Hello, let me show you how we can try to clean USB port of charging case in HUAWEI FreeBuds SE3. So first of all, I'm gonna zoom in just to show you how it looks inside. And first of all, I can highly recommend you to grab some plastic item, very thin item. In my case, I'm gonna use seam eject tool, but it's not recommended to input here any metal parts. But I'm doing this on my own risk. And what you have to do is basically insert this thin item inside the port and start to gently remove anything that is inside to the left side from both sides. Just like this. And also you can do the same for the other side. So we have to basically remove anything, everything that is inside. So just do this slowly. Try to don't break anything that is inside. So if you have any charging issue, then you can do this in your house and maybe it will fix your issue. Yeah, now we can try to connect a cable. There we go. And now everything is fine and the device is charging. Please leave a like and subscribe.